I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, 8-hour chart, decision time for the Bitcoin bulls. Let's run through this. Bitcoin had this real strong impulsive wave higher. We've all seen it. Retail potentially thought about FOMOing in, but they're still probably a little bit scared. Now, this key level where you have this rejection here, support, rejection. Okay, so buyers and sellers have been stacked at this level. Here they are. We're going to zoom in. Also, you have the 200 simple moving average acting as resistance right here. Now, if the bulls get rejected from this level, you want to see that the next low is a higher low. So here's your low, your high. This is a higher low. That would be a good sign for the Bitcoin bulls. If it came down here and you get this double bottom, that'd be a good reversal idea. Obviously, there'd be some short-term downside. The most bullish idea would be some type of breakout and flip of this level. And you could see a move up here to the golden pocket, $51,000, $55,000 Bitcoin in this area. Okay, so this is, we're not trying to predict the next move out of Bitcoin, but it's an if-and statement. If the bulls are able to reclaim this level now or later, your potential target is up here. If not, there's some downside, but you need the next low to be higher low or double bottom. This is where the magic happens. This is where it starts. The moves all start in the lower term time frame. So Bitcoin 1-hour chart, you don't want to see a bearish retest where essentially you got this little falling wedge, price action breaks out, and then comes up here and retests this as the ceiling, right? Previously, the bulls got rejected here. You've had some downside. Altcoins got hit hard. So you don't want to see a bearish retest. Otherwise, the most bullish retrace would be about 42,000. Golden pocket would be a pullback down here to like 40,000. You got a ton of strong support down here at 39,000. So it's really decision time. Breakout, retest, bullish, very bullish. Most bullish scenario is this, right? Some downside, some type of retrace would be completely normal to think is possible. But we're waiting on a daily candle close coming in a couple hours. We're not trying to predict the price action. We want Bitcoin's going to give us a buy signal if it flips this as support. And then essentially some downside would be in the cards if it gets rejected here. Decision time, big decision time for Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, prayers for his wife. She actually went to the hospital. This says a lot about our group, where this person was able to get market updates and still made $3,500 profit when he couldn't even chart for very long. And he was on his phone in the hospital. Shout out to this person, did very well last year in crypto. Thanks to the group, he is now hovering his portfolio around $1 million. The game changes. When you get to 7 digits, life gets that much sweeter. You are not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorevnet. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. These are some of the recent setups we've had. We've been killing it on these altcoins. And a lot of times they're posted in group and they take off immediately. 38%, 55%, 37%, 51%, 27%, 62%, 35, 24, 19. This is in a day. This is in 7 hours, 22%. This is in 15 minutes after post, 16% profits. This is Bitcoin dominance. So we don't want to see this cup and handle break higher, right? If this trend's higher, not good for the altcoins. So you want to see this get rejected and altcoins would move better based on this idea. When this level is broken or not, I think we see a move out of Bitcoin. SPX has been essentially moving sideways. So we noticed that the traditional markets have been tied to Bitcoin and essentially this kind of move sideways. Want to see how correlated this is going forward. So we're paying attention to this, a breakdown of this rising wedge, which is most probable. I mean, you've got a huge falling wedge, 68% chance this breaks higher. Then you got the smaller rising wedge where this is supposed to break lower. So the bottom line is this: decision time, right? We're not trying to predict it, but when the move happens, we know what to do based on SPX and its ties or correlation to Bitcoin. Today's gem pick banger, DYP. This thing has taken off. We talked about it a few times because they have so much going on. They're on Kucoin. They have just about everything you can imagine. We talk about NFTs, metaverse, gaming. They do it all, including DeFi as well. They've got yield farming, staking. They've paid about $34 million to liquidity providers, which is huge. See, they're launching the Cats and Watches Society NFTs. Go over to their roadmap. It's completely stacked with news. They just updated this, right? They're launching the NFT collection. They got metaverse beginning for the Cats and Watches Society NFTs. They got a play to earn NFT concept that's active. So they're working on metaverse research and a launch of a bunch of different products. In fourth quarter of this year, retail banking integration, built-in insurance for DYP liquidity providers. Looking at being able to spend via debit card. They're listing DYP on a bunch of other exchanges. So stacked with news, launching a DYP borrowing and lending app. This is DYP chart. So we talked about this previously a couple times because, and we talked about it back down here. We were looking for the retest. This thing took off. We made 50% gains based on an idea that I posted with you guys the other day. Now you've got this falling wedge. This is price compression. Price being compressed. I'm looking for a breakout to the upside. Could see 34 cents, 37 cents, 39 cents, 42 cents out of DYP quickly. These things bang. These things explode. Today's gem pick on Kucoin, ready to bang. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.